Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your KD and other stats on COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Finding your KD is easy. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap your name from the top left of the screen. On this screen, tap Basic. On the Basic profile page, tap the box with the icon of two flags. This is the multiplayer stats. Here in the multiplayer stats, you can see stats such as how many games played, MVP awards, kill-death ratio, and your average accuracy. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.